Hey folks, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. I have another video, another great video here. Imagine going to your computer right now, laying in your bed, and basically typing CAPTCHAS and getting paid for this. Think about it for a second. What I'm gonna show you in this video right now, and this is probably the most easiest way to make money online, okay? All right, if you're here, I want you to like and share this video because you're gonna love it. And I'm gonna tell you why. It doesn't require any work. And guess what? Yes, it is worldwide. Anybody can do this. If you have fingers, if you can type 10 words per minute, you can make $50 every hour. And I'm gonna show you proof right here, okay? So look, let me show you here. Hold on, let me turn this camera around real quickly here. Let me see, okay, there we go. And I know I have a Versace robe on because, well, people on the internet, they don't want to see my body. So I put my robe on here so to look more presentable. But check it out here. My name is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. I am an internet marketer, as you can see here. And basically I show people on the internet how to make money while laying in your bed doing nothing. If you pay attention to this video, I'm gonna show you something cool. You see this right here? Now, these are CAPTCHAs, right? You know when you go to a website and you try to log in and they want you to type in letters and numbers. Why? Because they want to know if you're a human being or not. Well, listen, it's a website out there that is very private, it's very exclusive. As a matter of fact, you have to have an invite to be on this website because they pay out so much money. If you can solve this, they will pay you money, okay? I know what you're thinking. Wesley, I love you, and this is why I'm gonna smash the like button, and I'm gonna share this video, and I'm gonna sub to your channel because I'm about to get ready to make a bunch of money. Now listen, this is not gonna make you a millionaire, but listen, 50 bucks an hour is not too bad. And if you watch to the very end, I'll show you a cool way how to get, it's just a, it's a technique how to get other people to do it for you very cheaply here. And you know, I know what you guys are thinking right now. Listen, let me turn this camera around before we get started here. You might be thinking, Wesley, how do you know about all these secrets and things? Listen, when I made my first million online, true story, when I went #1 with several products online, I made $1 million in 1 month. I got invited to a very special group. These are some of the top marketers on the planet. I can't say their names. Hell, I can't tell you about the group, okay? But these people make way more money than me, but they invited me, maybe because of the smile, right? But they allow me in the group, and what they do is they do this all day long. They have hundreds of thousands of ways to make money online without spending any money. And I asked them, I said, hey, I have a community, I have a YouTube channel, and I have an Instagram and Facebook. Can I take some of these ways and share it to them? And they said, cool, Wes, we like you. You're a good guy. You're a little bit crazy. Let's go! But listen, if you will share this with other people, because these type of people, they're not like me. They don't want to be on video. They don't want people to see their faces, but they make a ton of money using techniques like this. So listen, this is the reason why I know this, because I get it from them and I just give it to you. So if you think I deserve a like, go ahead and hit the like button. Okay, let's get to business now. Now listen, so basically, let me give you the site, okay? Look, now listen, this is my YouTube channel, so make sure you sub and like. Show me some love, right? It's for the YouTube algorithm. If you like this, more videos like this will pop up quickly for you so you can quit the 9-to-5 job, okay? Now listen, this is the website, Mega Typers. Listen close. Okay, make sure you tell your daddy, your mama, your cousin. This is great for students. This is great for stay-at-home mothers, parents that need a second job, students. As a matter of fact, if you're a student, I want you to comment below. If you are a person in between jobs because of the COVID-19, I want you to comment below. Say, that's me. If you're a parent, if you're a single mother, single father, it doesn't matter. Now, understand this site here. Let me be completely honest, okay? Everybody cannot join megatypers.com. You have to be invited, okay? But luckily, since you know Wesley, billion dollar virgin, and I'm sure that you're going to smash the like button for me, I'm going to show you, I'm going to invite you. So I'm going to leave a code in the bio to make sure you sign up. But I'm going to go through the process with you to let you know that this is true legit, okay? Now, some people, they make about 200 bucks per month, but some people are actually making more. Now, understand this. If you work harder than others, you will make more money, okay? If you work harder than other people, you will make more money, and you can relax. You can watch your reality show. You can watch your Games of Thrones, whatever, while you do this at the same time. And if you continue to watch to the very end of this video, I'm going to show you some cool ways on how to get this done automatically. And remember, in my description under this video on my YouTube channel, if you look in the description, I'll always share ways on how I can teach you. It's very easy. The reason why people sign up with my programs and jump in and allow me to help them make money now is because I know how to explain it to the average person who don't understand all this internet jargon, okay? Because I once was that. I'm not that smart. You think I am, but I'm not, right? I didn't graduate college, and I barely got out of high school, but I made $1 million online, and now I want to share it with you, okay? So this is what you do. Pay attention, please. You just hit the word sign up. Can you do that? Sign up. You go to megatypers.com, okay? Listen, all you have to do, this is what you're going to be doing right here. That's it. You're going to be just solving CAPTCHAs. That's it. I know that sounds crazy, but it's all about data for the internet, and you have so many companies. This is what they want. They want people that can solve these, and they will pay you every time you solve a CAPTCHA, okay? So it's like a quiz that you get paid for. So you want to put your email address in. Now understand this. This is very important. You cannot use an email other than yahoo.com or gmail.com, okay? Like you can't use like your domain. Like one of my domain is wesleyvirgin.com. I can't use that. They won't allow it. It's only Yahoo and Gmail accounts. If you need a new account, go to yahoo.com, create a new account, and you're in. So let me type in one of my email addresses. Let me think. Support at yahoo.com. Okay. Password is, what'd you say? Wesley's my password. Is everybody with me? The thing is, videos online, it's people, they never really show you, how to register. They just say, hey, go register and just do it. Well, I want to work you through the process. If you have any questions, put in the comments below. If you're from another country, put in the comments below as well, okay? Just let me know where you are and where you're calling from, because I will create more easy videos from my private group just for you, okay? Wesley Virgin here. And remember, if you love Wesley Virgin, hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, I'll help you. Just smash the like button right now. Share this with a friend, and let's get rich together. Either PayPal, Western Union, Perfect Money, Webmoney. So they pay you basically every week or every 2 weeks, okay? Just by solving CAPTCHAs like this, okay? That's it. And so basically you go through the process here. Here's the invitation code. Now listen, I'm going to give you the invitation code in my bio. I think that's the best way to do it. I don't want to make this public here because I may get flagged on YouTube. I'm not sure. So I'm not going to make that invitation code public, but I will put it in the bio of this video. Is that cool? Because I said you have to have an invitation because they pay really good money and it's really easy to do. That's why, right? That's why a lot of marketers around the planet that you don't know of, they do this all day long and they make a ton of money, okay? But luckily, if you see here, I already have an account. This is Mega Typer. This is how it looks in the inside. These are people that are making money every single day, basically just doing the images on the CAPTCHA here. Does that make sense? Is everybody here? Comment the word, let's go, if you can hear my voice. Listen. You got to have enthusiasm. I'm showing you ways to make money online right now. You don't have to pay any money. You don't have to rob Peter to pay Paul, okay? You don't have to donate blood. That's all you have to do is type. If you can type 10 words per minute, you can do this, okay? And then you just click the word start working. It's easy, right? Once you click start working here, you're going to wait for a second. And listen, wait till the very end, and I'm going to show you something cool that's going to blow your mind, okay? Listen, because it's all about making money. All right, here it is, type solver. So the thing is, You're going to have to download the software, not a software exit, it's like an app or something. It's called Type Solver. And look, all you have to do is this. Follow the directions, okay? Just follow the directions, and then you're on your way to making money right now just by tapping or typing CAPTCHAS online. Does that make sense? Now, okay, now listen, hold up. Now, you may be asking, okay, Wesley, well, what is the automatic process that would allow me to basically get somebody else to do this? Because say if you're a person, they say, okay, Wesley, that's cool. Okay, I can make $50 an hour, but is it possible to get somebody else to do this? Absolutely. And I'm going to show you exactly where you need to go. Look, everybody does this. Go to Fiverr.com, type in virtual work for $5. This guy right here with the cool mustache, he will do everything for you on this site here. So what you do is here, you hire this guy for $5. You got $5? Okay. If you have $5 in the comments below, say, Wesley, I got $5. Let's go. Then after you do that, listen, this is what some of the greatest marketers on the planet do all day, every day. Okay. You sign up, you give him your login, you tell him to click the word start working, and you have him get busy for you. And you tell that young man, you say, hey, I don't want you to leave this website until you make $500 in one day. Okay? That's all you have to do. These people in other countries such as Pakistan, India, Philippines, Thailand, they will do all this work for you. You may say, why? Because the average income in those countries is about $100 a month. It's nothing. All right? And if you really want to be genuine, if you really want to give some, help somebody out, give them a percentage. That means depending on how much work they do, right? Because this is a lot of arduous work, right? And listen, you have to work a lot on this website to make the type of money that you want to make. But I'm like this, I got $5, baby. If you ain't got $5, well, you need to leave the planet Earth, because I think everybody on the planet got $5. Again, comment below if you got $5 to hire the guy with the funny looking mustache. Okay? He would do it for you. Look, this person would do it for you too. Hire them. They're very great. They're called virtual assistants. And you send them to a website like this. You give them the instructions. You give them your account. And you tell them to get to work. And until you make about $100 to $500, let me tell you something. The greatest marketers on the planet that I've met that you don't know, they do this and they make a tons of. Now I know a guy's making $10,000 a month every single month. He don't do nothing. He do exactly what I gave you in this video for free. Listen, it is simple. It is easy. And all you have to do is take action. But if you want to work with me, okay, for everybody that wants to work with me, I'm going to leave a link under the video like this. If you need my help, if you want me to help you to create your first product to make $1 million up to, I made $1 million. I can't guarantee that you're going to make $1 million, but I'm telling you something. It is very simple for me to have people to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month. That is easy. I can help a dog, a baby. I don't care. As long as you have a brain, I can teach you if you're willing to learn. I can teach you if you're tired of the 9-to-5 job. I can teach you if you'll shut your mouth and let me pour into you. I will teach you right here. And listen, I don't accept everybody, but the link will be under this video. And listen, this is the website here. Listen, I wasn't always this cool, fabulous guy here with the Versace robe on. You see me with this Versace robe? Like, let me show you guys. Versace robe already, right? I wasn't always this cool guy with the Versace robe on, okay? I used to be the guy on the air mattress, and I couldn't pay rent, okay? I couldn't afford my car note. I have 2 children. I couldn't pay child support. Baby mama in my ear. Blah, 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 blah. Give me money. And I changed my entire life. Why? I just started to believe in me. All right? I made a decision in life. And I want you to listen to me here. Listen, you don't have to click the links below. You don't have to work with me. But I want you to listen to me closely here, because it may change your life. A lot of you want to be successful. You want to make $1 million. I get it. You're tired of the 9-to-5 grind. I get it. You're tired of not getting what you want. I get it. You're tired of people like me creating these videos, right? I get it. But listen, and this, I swear to God, I wish someone would have told me this when I was in my 20s. You don't get what you want out of life, okay? Every day, I can teach you strategies to make money online. And listen, you got to take action. And most of you will take action now. But you don't get what you want out of life. You get what you picture. Does that make sense? If you keep picturing that using a strategy like this just by typing CAPTCHAS, if you honestly believe this is not going to work, it won't. Okay? It doesn't matter how many free online making money videos I create for you. It doesn't matter how many times you like it and you start to take action. But if you don't picture yourself actually making $1, you'll never make $1, ever, because of your belief. In life, you don't get what you want, you get what you picture. I want everybody to type that below as you smash the like button, as you sub for this. I appreciate it. If I gave you massive value here, and remember, I will put the code in the description under this video. Much love. Please comment these words below. Please. I share them from the top of my heart. And in life, you don't get what you want. You get what you picture. You have to every day picture your life getting better. Picture your life making money. Picture sales coming in. Picture yourself in the bed butt naked with a nice Versace robe on. Picture yourself flying around the world. Picture yourself rich. Picture yourself successful. And I'm telling you, it worked. This is Wesley. $1 billion version. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let's go! Yeah. Later, folks.